Dividing rational polynomials is just like multiplying if you flip the second term. So we have this polynomial, rational polynomial, divided by this one. I'm going to rewrite it as 30 over. Before I write this polynomial, we know that factoring whenever you can is a good idea. So let's see if this factors. If I set up two parentheses, got my y and my y. 6 times 2 is 12, and 6 minus 2 would be 4. So I'm going to go plus 6 minus 2. I see a division sign. Now, if you see the division, you can change it to multiplication and flip these last two. So I will flip this fraction. There's no factoring to be done, so that makes it easier. Now I can begin doing just like I did in multiplying. You could multiply straight across, but if there's any cross-reducing or simplifying you can do, we want to do that. Never try to take this y and cross it out with this y. This is a unit, y plus 2. It needs to stick together. Sorry, y minus 2. These y minus 2's, though, will cancel because there's one in the numerator, one in the denominator. That means all I'm left with up here is a 1, technically. So 30 times 1 makes 30. My denominator has a 6y and a y plus 6. So my final answer can just be y plus 6 times 6y. It is possible to want to multiply that through there. So 6y squared plus 36y would not be incorrect. But since you have it in the most simplest form, either one would be correct.